Hi everyone, I'm Alan from the Academy. So would like to show you how I use AI Marketing.My to create the content for Google Ads. Yeah, all right. So after you log in your account, so looking for dashboard is on the top right, okay. And then you will see these templates, okay. It's either once you log in you can see it, or at the left hand side you can see the templates button. So right here, just scroll to the right hand side, okay? Because Google actually is under the category of social media. Of course, you can scroll around right here to see which one is suitable, because we have all these templates that is ready for you to prompt the system to generate the advertising content for you. So I'm go to social media, and then we scroll down. Okay, so in the Google Ads, all right, you will need to prepare headline and advertising descriptions. So we need to study the products that's we are helping our customer to promote in the Google Ads. Okay, so right now I'm going to help in a LED advertising screen to promote their services. So it's an LED advertising billboard. Okay, which is based in Penang. Yeah, which is one of my customer. My regular students, they are TR media channel. So if you are looking to using this billboard advertising in Penang in North Malaysia, so please look for this company, helping them use their service, get a quotation. They can give you the best advice and consultations, to helping you improve and increase your exposure, your branding, through this LED advertising. So we go back to this tutorial. So I will study their social media, their Facebook, their website, those keywords that they are using, because all their USP, their product and the services, the keywords, okay, will be right here, because you will require to prepare these informations to put into AiMarketing.My, okay, to prompt the system to get the copywriting. Okay, so I have all this ready. One of it I will get actually, of course, you have your way to compile the info. Okay, I want you to focus to do your best. Okay, to deliver it in the efficient time, and for the productivity job as well. Okay, so one of it I will use the Google search the keywords and get more ideas. Okay, on all these informations. Another one is their website as well. I will check their websites, okay, to get more informations, get more ideas on the type of the keywords, to promote their services. Okay, example in their services of their homepage, okay, you can see already digital billboard, bridge digital billboard, okay, and we can check digital billboards across Malaysia. All right, and then we can scroll down and see what are the keywords, okay, they're using. Okay, it's quite good for all this. All right, I think it's quite good already. Those keywords we are using it, and right here also got other keywords. Okay, cool. So I have some ideas already. So next we go to Google Ads headline. Follow my method. Okay, it will be one of the best methods to help you to get more answer, to help you to improve and increase your possibility of success in this content marketing. Okay, so all right, we will choose this is the language I'm using, okay, because it's using for Google advertising and targeting. Majority are the people who use Google to search English wordings, so I will choose this one. And then the product's name, okay, product's name, we look for the product's name. I believe it's the, okay, the keywords, how they use it. I think this one is one of the good keywords. Open the notepad to write down the important keywords that you can use it. Notepad is very good to use because it helps us to remarks down the info. Already screen advertising. This is their Google business profile. Digital billboards as well. Okay, we can put one of the products name. So we can check what are the keywords people search. I think already screen advertising is one of the good keywords. Yes, we will choose this one. This is the product's name. Then the audience are the business owner, business owner. Business owner. The leading in Malaysia. Yeah, you can get the info right here. Yeah, let's try. Creativity, I think average okay already. Then this you can choose the tone of voice. Okay, a casual is quite good, excited quite good, a professional also quite good. Yeah, of course you can try others lah, but most of the time I would choose is a professional or excited and casual. So for this, I would try excited. Then the number of the results, you choose three. Yeah, so you have three to compare the performance. You have three to test run. And then for the Google headline, actually is 30 characters. So the length actually right here is mentioned about the wordings. Yeah, so you probably 30 characters is very, very short actually. So we can just make it 15, yeah, 15 wordings and generate. So just wait for the results and then we can compare and choose. Okay, so we have all these three. Of course, we can get more also because we need to do A/B testing. So what you can do is you can improve this one to generate another three. Then you can choose professional one, generate again. Then you will have another three again. Okay, so we can have one more type is casual. Then you can increase that creativity and do the testing. The wordings, we can go to 20 words. So it's I have all these ideas. Okay, all right. I think it's quite good. Yeah, so we can use this one, and then after that, from these three, these nine Google Ads title, and then we can mix and match. Yeah, by using their advantage and their impactful words. Okay, to mix and match together and use for our Google Ads. For information, Google Ads actually allow us to put more than A/B testing is more than two. So right here actually is enough. If don't enough, you can do it is you can do an amendment right here, which is change the digital billboards advertising. Then you can choose the goal. All right, test run another three again. Okay, we have all this. So we will use this one, open a notepad, a new one, all right, is for you to use it. Yeah, take note lah. So to make it a proper one is a Google Ads headlines. If we can use it later, finalize from all these ideas. Okay, so next one is Google Ads description. So please make a copy for all these because later when you need to fill up the informations to feed the content to the content generator, AiMarketing.My. So you will need all this information again. So right here, done ready. So we go back to templates. So we go to social media, Google Ads descriptions. Then it will be ask you the informations again. Yeah, so this will be help you to do the Google Ad descriptions. So I will choose digital billboard, one of it, and the audience same is a business owner. Then we will need to put in the descriptions. Okay, try the professional one and increase the creativity. We choose five, five right up. And for Google descriptions, if not mistaken, I think it's around 90 characters. So 90 characters would be around 30 words. Yeah, I think it's around that. Yeah, 30 words. You can try 40 words. So we just generate 5 answers. Later we will use these 5 answers to do the mix and match. Okay, all right. So okay, for informations, actually you can download the file. You can download it export as a Word document. You can download it as a PDF. You also can download it as a export as a text document as well. Yeah, but what I will do is I will continue to generate more answer as well because I need to do mix and match. So I will choose another one. Okay, this one. Then I will choose another type. So I will generate text. So I will have another 5 again. So it will be allowed me to choose the advantage of this ideas answer, and then I mix and match. Yeah, I can see most of the answer is quite good. You can see, you can see it. Okay, very good answer. Okay, but the best you get more USP from the customer. For example, they will do some unique selling point to attract people, like fast price comparisons, cheapest one, all right, or buy one free one, okay, or they have the free extended contract for the people advertise. Actually, will need your customer to feed you more information about this to help them to make it a catchy title to attract people click and response to their advertisement. Okay, so we have another 5 right here. We got 10 actually, so I will feel it's quite good already. So I just export as text document. Okay, so I have the document right here. So this is the document. Okay, so we can save the document, and then after that please enjoy the results, utilize it. So mix and match on all the results. Sorry, not all lah. You have to choose the impactful wordings, the nice wordings, and then do some enhancement. Because remember, AI is helping us to increase our productivity, improve our efficiency, and then allow us to add in our innovations and the creativity into the content to make it more attractive to attract people. Remember to attract people. Need to make people click on your advertisement, click on your posting, click on your content. Okay, and you need to find out why people want to click to your posting, to your content. So that's the creativity you need to do into it. So from this AI Marketing.My is help you to simplify the process of thinking the body content ready, and it's also helping you to save your time and idea, okay, to make it a proper sentence, everything, and the grammar as well is proofreading already. So what you need to do is please take the beautiful part of the of the results that it's provide you, and then improve it, enhance it, finalize it, and then use it for advertisement. Okay, so that's all for the tutorial on this part. So hope you enjoy our marketing software. Thank you. Goodbye, and see you in the next class. Goodbye.